This month is dedicated for all the nurses across the globe. The theme for the 2021 resource is Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. In 2021, we seek to show how nursing will look into the future as well, how the profession will transform the next since they are indispensable to the health sector. Adequate financial assistance and timely supply of resources required by them should be taken care of. All health workers should be treated with due respect.
Chemotherapy nurses care for the patients and administer the prescribed chemotherapy drugs as well as pre and post treatment patient care. They continuously monitor the patient during whole process. The likelihood of drug exposure must be taken into account when considering the safety of personnel who will handle cytotoxic drugs and patients during or after drug administrations. The main routes of personnel exposure of cytotoxic drugs are by aerosolization or by absorption through skin. Both types of exposure can occur when preparing drugs for administration.
Surgical oncology. Nursing provides you with a detailed examination of surgical patients with cancer from diagnosis to survivorship. Caring for surgical patients with cancer involves a diverse healthcare team with many hands touching patients at different stages, such as diagnosis, preoperative and postoperative care, nutritional care, surgical wounds and ostomy care, as well as survivorship issues.
Critically ill patients present a completely different set of challenges for both the doctors as well as the ones who are in charge of taking care of them. When the patient is admitted in an ICU, there is an entire team of specialized physicians, nurses, dietitian, physiotherapist, and other medical staff present to look after every need. Critically ill patients often require frequent monitoring and assistance for failing organs. The critical care nurses are masters in cardiopulmonary resuscitation techniques. They can use life-saving equipment such as cardioverters, defibrillators, and mechanical ventilation. They care for a broad range of patients including medical, surgical, neonatal, pediatric, neurology, oncology, cardiac, pulmonary, transplant, trauma, burns, etc.
A surgical nurse, also referred to as a theatre nurse or scrub nurse, specialize in preoperative care, providing care to patients before, during and after surgery. There are many different phases during surgery where the theatre nurse is needed to support and assist the patients, surgeons, surgical technician, nurse anesthetist and nurse practitioners.
During PET-CT, imaging nurses monitor blood glucose and adverse reactions to iodine contrast. Nurses with special training in radiation safety discuss with the patients and the other personnel about the potential side effects of ionizing radiation.
Radiotherapy nurses can offer much of the supportive care needed to cope with the emotional and physical effect of treatment and are able to provide and coordinate many aspects of patient care.
In conclusion, it creates an avenue for nurses from different parts of the world to unite, use the opportunity to make contact with frontline staff, and in the light of the year's theme, Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare, It's essential that nurses, as a vision for future healthcare, provides nursing care that is responsive to and is informed by the healthcare needs of the country and the world at large. Thank you all, nursing team, Medicover Cancer Institute.